2006 Husqvarna TE610. This is just a quick left side case disassembly video. So I disassembled this because my outside case cracked in a couple places from hitting rocks. So disassembly is very easy. It's just all of the outer case bolts. When it comes apart, you'll see the stator, which is not sealed off from the engine oil, and just sits inside the flywheel there. There's your starter gear, your starter, and the other portion of the starter gear. Any special notes, you have to move the Kickstarter around a little bit to get the case off. Other than that, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I just reassembled all this, but there's two bolts there that pull out all the wiring for the stator, and then the stator comes off with three bolts here. The wiring is behind the stator, in between the case and the stator, and the wire comes up along the back there. You could see one of the welds there, another weld there, and another weld. That was the worst one right there. And then, of course, they're all welded along the outside. You could see right about there. It is a nice aluminum that welded pretty easily. Not a crazy alloy or magnesium or anything like that. Hope this video helped someone. If it did, I would appreciate if you subscribe. Always helpful to have more subscribers, and give a thumbs up on the video or give me a comment. Thanks a lot.